For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 3.
What if one countertop appliance could replace most of your cooking tools? That's exactly why the Medea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo 26.4 QT surprised me. It's built for faster meals, less oil, and real everyday use, not just fancy features. The Cyclone Air Fryer system is the real game changer. It cooks up to 25% faster and uses up to 90% less oil than traditional frying. With one convection fan and 6 heat tubes, heat spreads evenly, and there's no need to preheat in air fry mode. From my experience, food starts cooking almost instantly, which is a big win on busy days. You get 10 cooking functions like air fry, bake, roast, pizza, reheat, and dehydrate. I switch between air frying and baking in the same meal, and it feels smooth and practical, not complicated. The 26.4 quart capacity easily fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 chicken wings. I've cooked wings for multiple people at once, and everything came out evenly cooked without tray swapping. Controls are precise, with 5-degree Fahrenheit temperature steps from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, plus minute-by-minute timing. The LED display makes it simple to dial in settings. The stainless steel body, double French doors, and included accessories make it feel solid and well thought out. If you want faster cooking, less oil, and one appliance that actually keeps up with real life, this one checks the box.
Number 2.
If your kitchen slices bread every single day, this will sound familiar. Uneven cuts, wasted time, and staff slowing down when orders pile up. I've seen this exact problem in bakeries and coffee shops, especially during morning rush. That's where the commercial bread slicer 370W electric stainless steel with 12mm blades actually earns its place. This slicer is built for real commercial use. The 370W pure copper motor delivers steady power with low noise, which matters when the machine runs for hours. From what I've experienced in food prep environments, reliable motors reduce downtime and keep the workflow smooth. It can slice up to 31 pieces at once, saving serious prep time when volume is high. The body is made from 304 stainless steel, the same material used in most professional kitchen equipment. It handles moisture, frequent cleaning, and daily wear without issues. Cleaning is fast, which helps staff stay focused during busy shifts. What really helps day-to-day is the adjustable sizing. It supports bread from 4.3 inches to 15.4 inches wide, so switching between sandwich bread and larger loaves is easy. The 12mm blade spacing keeps every slice consistent, which improves portion control and presentation. Clean cuts, stable operation, easy movement, and consistent results. If bread is part of your daily service, this slicer quickly becomes a tool your team relies on, not just another machine on the counter.
Number 1.
If one appliance could replace your oven, air fryer, and toaster? That's exactly what I thought before using the Instant Pot Omni Plus 19QT 18-liter toaster oven air fryer, and honestly, it changed how I cook daily meals. This appliance packs 10 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, roast, warm, convection bake, and rotisserie into one unit. What surprised me most was the almost zero preheating time. On busy nights, I go straight from turning it on to cooking, which saves real time. The Even Crisp technology uses hot air to crisp food with up to 95% less oil. I tested it with frozen fries, and they came out evenly crispy without adding extra oil. The golden quartz infrared heating helps cook food evenly and keeps it juicy, especially noticeable when reheating leftover chicken. The 19QT 18-liter capacity is big enough for real meals. It fits 6 slices of bread or a full 12-inch pizza. I cooked a store-bought pizza without rotating the tray, and it browned evenly, which smaller air fryers usually struggle with. With a temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from dehydrating snacks to roasting dinner.
The double-layer glass door keeps heat inside, while the kitchen stays cooler. Add in the 100-plus in-app recipes and dishwasher-safe accessories, and this feels like a practical all-in-one upgrade for everyday cooking.